केबल लगा दी, चेक कर हाथ के केबल चेक कर। चलो हाँ आ गया।
इस तरह मैंने खाद ये कार्यक्रम जिसमें हम अपने कल्चर को ग्रहण करते हैं और व्यक्ति की 50 साल पूरे होने पर हम अपने अध्यापकों अपने गुरुवरों का सम्मान करते हैं। जितने भी हमारे स्कूल से पुराने छात्र रिटायर उन सबको हमने कोशिश करी कॉन्टेक्ट करने और हमें जो उनसे संपर्क होता है उन सबको हमने आज बुलाया है ताकि हम उनका सम्मान कर सकें। उसके साथ साथ जो जिन टीचर्स को स्कूल में अब तक पढ़ाते हैं 25 साल उन टीचर्स का भी हम अपने गुरुजनों का सम्मान करते हैं। और इस ये जो हमारी आयोजन है जो काम ये है कि स्कूल एजुकेशन का एक हिस्सा है ताकि जो हमारा स्कूल यहाँ पढ़े थे उसको 50 साल पूरे हो गए तो जो हमें आज हम जहाँ भी अपने उस प्रारंभिक शिक्षा उसकी वजह से उसका हम आदर करते हैं और जिन लोगों को पढ़ रहा है ये शिक्षा जिसकी वजह से दोनों हमारे कुछ कर्तव्य हैं जिसको पूरा करने की कोशिश की। वर्तमान समय में नहीं मानता प्रोफेशनल होते जा रहे हैं। बात यह है कि आज की तारीख में बदलते समय के साथ शिक्षा का स्तर बदला है, शिक्षा के तरीके बदले हैं, उसी हिसाब से गुरुवर बदले और जो भी गुरुवर है जो भी अध्यापक जो आपको सीखते हैं अगर वो ना हो तो आप जिंदगी में सिर्फ किताब पढ़ के या टेलीविजन देख के या कोई और एजुकेटिव प्रोग्राम देख के नहीं सीख सकते। लोगों को आपको सिखाना चाहिए जो आपको हर चीज़ को समझा सके बता सके और आप जो समझना चाहते हैं वो और जिसको अपने जीवन में लाना चाहते हैं वो उसको संपूर्ण कर सकें।
सरकारी और गैर सरकारी संस्थानों द्वारा पहले भी शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में बहुत सारे अवार्ड दिए जाते हैं। ये अवार्ड कैसे है?
ये अवार्ड सिर्फ हमारे अपने स्कूल का अवार्ड है क्योंकि हम छात्र संघ की तरफ से ये कर रहे हैं। तो अपने ही शिक्षकों को जो हमारे स्कूल के शिक्षक थे उनको हम उनका सम्मान करते हैं। ये अवार्ड कोई पर्टिकुलर अचीवमेंट एज ए प्रोफेशन इन टीचिंग उसके लिए नहीं है। हमारे स्कूल के जो पूर्व अध्यापक हैं जो पूर्व गुरुजन हैं उन सबको हमने बुलाया है ताकि उनका हम सम्मान कर सकें, उनका हम आदर कर सकें जिन्होंने हमें आज जीवन में सब कुछ सीखने का मौका दिया। आज हम उस बात कि उन्होंने हमें यहाँ तक पहुँचाया सम्मान इस बात का
इस सम्मान को आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। बच्चों ने अपने गुरुजनों को याद किया है और अपनी जो गुरुकुल है इसका भी उन्होंने आदर किया है। मैं जिन बच्चों को पढ़ाया है मैं 1966 से एपी स्कूल में था, इसके बाद मैं एपी स्कूल का अध्यापक बना 90 से लेकर 2001 तक अध्यापक बना। इन बच्चों ने जो एक्स स्टूडेंट्स हैं उन्होंने जो एल्यूमनाई फॉर्म करी है ये बड़ा अच्छा काम कर रही है। ये स्कूल का को तो एक ग्रोथ मिल ही रही है। ये अपने स्टूडेंट्स और जो आने वाले हमारे जो विद्यार्थी हैं उनके लिए भी बड़ा अच्छा काम कर रही है।
तो शिक्षा और शिक्षकों के बदलते स्वरूप के बारे में
देखिए ये तो बड़ा एक सेंसिटिव इशू है। ये तो इंस्टीट्यूशंस टू इंस्टीट्यूशंस डिपेंड करता है। वैसे आजकल का शिक्षक बहुत जागरूक है और शिक्षक का जो वो पुराना पुअर टीचर सैलरीज भी बहुत अच्छी है और गैजेट्स भी तो तरह तरह के मिलते हैं, पहले लाइब्रेरी है तो टीचर भी बहुत एडवांस है और बच्चे तो मालूम है कि आजकल जादू की हर चीज़ की अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन है टीचर।
आशा खन्ना
सम्मान लेते हुए कितना लग रहा है?
बहुत ही अच्छा एक मिनट हो रहा है जिनको हमने पढ़ाया है और आज वो इस लायक हुए कि हमारा सम्मान कर सकें। संस्कार तो बहुत अच्छे हैं हमारे बच्चों के, और हम आज बहुत ही
अभी कहीं और योगदान देती हैं? ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा।
ओके
इसलिए राजीव जी प्लीज प्रभारी में
खास नहीं स्कूल में जाते हैं, हर मौके पे पहुंचते हैं और अच्छा लगता है।
शिक्षा और शिक्षकों के बदलते स्वरूप के बारे में
आजकल शिक्षा में बहुत बदलाव आ गया है। हमारे स्कूल में उसने उसके हिसाब से बहुत तरक्की करी है। हमारे हर एक चीज़ में एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज़, पढ़ाई, बच्चे की प्रॉपर डेवलपमेंट, जो हमारे स्कूल का मोटो था उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए बहुत अच्छा
कैमरा बंद कर दो भाई, सिर्फ कैसे आप कैसे प्ले कराओ?
And the Medical Research Center, Sri Rana Singh, and alumni of class of 73 are dedicated alumni secretary.
Our dedication.
Sri Mahesh Khandelwal, and alumni of class of 74 are director of Heart Care Foundation. Sri Neeraj Khandelwal,
Joined
and alumni
and
of
formed
class
this
of
alumni.
77. A
And they are
talented
really
entrepreneur, Sri Ajay
showing
Madhav,
their
and alumni of class
respect and
85,
gratitude
a
to
gold
the
medalist from the
as
prestigious
well as
London
some of
School
those
of
teachers
Journalism,
who have completed
UK,
25 years
and
in this.
media advisor
Because those
are trust
have
areas.
learned from it.
Fellowship,
That is the
promotion,
greatest
participative
regard
management, release and implement of
in life.
directives
They
with
have achieved
up-to-date
something
alumni
because of
candidates. Publish a quarterly newsletter reflection
इस मौके
to
पर
throw floodlights
Alumni
on
Association
alumni
because
activities to turn
after all,
www.happyschoolалumni.com
icon
into
the
a vast
stature of
with
Uncle
a
Raj
difference
is also a guru.
career
And
development
Guru
through high voltage career
Guru
orientation group
have
and
merged
to
together
generate
and with the medium of
turn
ghazals and songs
into
we are showing
visibility
a larger
talent
perspective
team
in the form of the appreciation which we hold the Guru.
शिक्षा और शिक्षकों के बदलते स्वरूप पर सर
into a widely
शिक्षा और
acclaimed
शिक्षकों
corporate
के
brand
बदलते स्वरूप पर
tend for international
तो मैं
stars,
यही कहूँगा
social
कि
ethos, and
the founder
integrity, yes,
of the Happy
go
Education
in global
Movement,
way,
Shri Padam Chandra,
emerged as an
in 1930
institution that not
have
just
got the vision
cares, but
and
also
the
believes
ideology he has propagated.
wide reservoir of
Essentially,
talented
the child must be
for the
happy
less privileged
for
sections of the society,
emotionally,
where
intellectually,
children well
and physically,
halfway through.
to provide that environment. Our school is unique. in that.
Alumni's Odyssey, right from the beginnings, from defense personnel to marine divers, from scientists, from authors and publishers, to film producers and directors, and from hospitality industry to marketing, and of course, from grandmoms to granddads, was an all-round unforgettable affair. How can we ever forget the Alumni Luncheon Summit 2002 at Hotel Imperial New Delhi, presided over by the inspiring presence of Sri Kishan Kumarji and Mrs. Geeta Aroraji, along with Sri S.K. Patnagar Sahab, and many, many more. Path to a Golden Jubilee celebration of our happy school in 2003, where all we need is your active participation and unstinted support to turn this dream into a concrete reality. He who dares wins. Our future strategy is to organize an alumni ball in a 5-star hotel, live in concert by musical masters at Suriport Auditorium, to organize annual picnics and get-togethers, PR seminars and summits at India International Centre, stage plays at Shri Ram Centre. 3. Class 12 achievers were all set to turn a new leaf in their career flight. Hold your breath. Now it's your turn to bask in a sparkling glory. Presenting the bronze medal for showing brilliant and exemplary scholastic accomplishment. School Alumni Association is eagerly waiting for you. Now, what are you, and God bless us all.
My question. Everything invites me to cherish it. Cherish. Yes, cherish the idea. The idea of inception of Happy School Alumni Association in the hearts of its founders, the group of Grade 12 alumni. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The Alumni Association is gathered here today to celebrate 50 glorious years of its settlement. We pay tribute to our institution on this grand occasion. The Alumni Association, set up on the 26th November 2000, has been actively involved with its alma mater to help it attain its pinnacle. The alumni aspires to work towards the amelioration of Happy School. The association has already taken a step to realize its goal to act as a bridge between the vast number of our alumni and the school. For 2 years now, the association has awarded Roll of Honor, gold, silver and bronze medals to the top 3 students in all the 3 streams for their outstanding scholastic achievements in the Class 12 board examination. This greatly encourages future generations to emulate the path shown to their illustrious alumni achievers in many professions. The association wishes to venerate its teachers who have been responsible for the incessant progress of the students. Once again, I extend a hearty welcome to all of you. I now invite Mr. Nirmal Khandwal, the President of our Alumni Association, to welcome the distinguished gathering.
गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागे पाऊं, बलिहारी गुरु आपकी जो गोविंद देव बताए। हैप्पी स्कूल पूर्व छात्र संघ की ओर से सब गुरुवरों को सादर प्रणाम। हैप्पी स्कूल कार्यकारिणी समिति के सदस्य, मेरे पूर्व छात्र संघ के साथियों, हमारे स्पॉन्सर जो आज यहाँ, जिनकी वजह से आज हम यहाँ हैं, हमारे एडवाइजर्स, उपस्थित देवियों सज्जनों। हैप्पी स्कूल पूर्व छात्र संघ का गठन 3 साल पहले जिस समय हुआ, हमारी आकांक्षा थी कि जिस नींव के सहारे हमने अपनी जिंदगी की इमारत खड़ी करी है, जिस नींव के सहारे आज की बुलंदियां हमने हासिल करी हैं, जो नींव पृथ्वी के नीचे दबके रह गई, कभी हम उसको दुनिया के सामने उजागर करेंगे। भगवान की असीम कृपा से हमें मौका मिला अपने गुरुवरों के सहयोग से, आप सब उपस्थित सज्जनों के सहयोग से, कि हम अपने गुरुओं का सम्मान कर सकें, जिन्होंने हमें जीवन में यहाँ तक पहुंचने का मौका दिया, जिन्होंने हमारी नींव को इतना मजबूत किया कि आज हम सब खूब छात्र अपने अपने क्षेत्र में एक ऊंचाइयां प्राप्त कर चुके। हमारे पूर्व छात्र संघ में ऐसे भी छात्र हैं जो हैप्पी स्कूल के छात्र रहे। आज देश के अंदर उन जैसे कुछ ही लोग मौजूद हैं। कोई बेस्ट कम्युनिकेशन कंपनी का जॉइंट मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर है, तो कोई रेलवे बोर्ड के अंदर मेंबर हैं, तो कोई सरकारी अहदों में जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी हैं। ये सब कुछ हुआ है तो आप गुरुवरों की वजह से हुआ है। अगर हमारी नींव भी कमजोर रह जाती तो मुझे यकीन है हम लोग कहीं भी नहीं पहुंच पाते। हैप्पी स्कूल जो हमारा अपना स्कूल था, उसके 50 वर्ष पूर्ण होने पे हमने सोचा जो थोड़ा सा कर्तव्य, जो थोड़े सा हमारे ऊपर एक ऋण है स्कूल का, हम किसी रूप में उसको पूरा कर सके। तो हमने आज इस सांस्कृतिक संध्या का आयोजन कर अपने सारे गुरुवरों, जिनको पुराने गुरुवरों को हम ढूंढ पाए, जिन तक हम पहुंच पाए, उन सबको यहाँ आमंत्रित किया है। उन सब का सम्मान करना हमारे लिए सबसे बड़ी उपलब्धि है। इस संध्या की वजह से हमारे छात्र संघ में बहुत सारे नए छात्र जो कि हैप्पी स्कूल से थे, पहली बार जुड़े। मुझे उम्मीद है कि वो आगे सब हम इस संस्था को बढ़ाने में अपना पूरा योगदान देंगे। मेरा एक और यहाँ पर जो एक मेरी आकांक्षा है कि हम अपने स्कूल जिसने हमें प्रारंभिक शिक्षा दी, उसके लिए हम जो भी कर पाए वो हमारा पूर्व छात्र संघ करेगा। और मुझे उम्मीद है कि हमारे फेलो एलुमनाई विल सपोर्ट एंड विल वर्क होल हार्टेड फॉर इट। थैंक यू।
Idea is born, nurtured, developed, achieved, and then the success celebrated. A dream that has today reached the 50th year of its realization. 50 years of golden odyssey has seen the school rise from an experimental institute to one of the premier schools of Delhi. A long journey from 1953 to 2003. Shri Paramchand ji was the founder of Happy Education Movement. In hindsight, we acknowledge him not just as an educationist, but also as a reformer of sort and a philanthropist in his own right. We salute his ideology of happy education. I now request Shri S.K. Bhatnagar, our ex-principal, Shri Krishna Kumar ji, our Honorary Secretary, Shri Ram Kawar ji, Honorary Secretary of our Happy School Management, Shri Hariram ji, and our Principal, Mrs. Geeta Rao, to please join us on the dais to pay tributes to late Shri Paramchand ji. I would request Mr. Bhatnagar sir to please do the honor of garlanding the portrait of Shri Paramchand ji to pay tribute to our founder.
Great honor. Never thought of it.
I would request the other distinguished to please do the honor for the marking of the land.
हाँ जी उधर राकेश जी है आप राकेश जी को बुला राकेश जी
First Luminary batch 1965.
1965 बैच के राकेश जी आइए सर
राकेश थोड़ा साइड सर फ्रॉम देयर इटसेल्फ फ्रॉम देयर या दैट्स इट थैंक यू
फोटो खींच लो सेट के बारे में
Teaching fraternity, they have helped raise many outstanding, accomplished and distinguished members who are part of Happy Alumni today. We thank our teachers for their invaluable contribution towards the development of well-rounded personality of students. The teachers have left no stone unturned to mold us into good human beings who are competent and self-reliant. Let's get going first with the presentation of mementos to our teachers in recognition of their services. Request Shri Rakesh Jain ji, 1965 batch, first alumni batch, Ashok Jain ji, 1967 batch, Sudhir Gupta, 1967 batch to join us on the stage for presenting of the mementos. She joined Happy School's nursery and elementary department at a very young age. Cheerful, graceful, kind-hearted, very involved with his tiny talk and an excellent teacher who served the school for 24 years. Srimati Kanti Anand joined Happy School as nursery and elementary teacher and served the school for a long span of 34 years. Shri, who joined as a history teacher in the senior secondary department and served the school for over 29 years. Teaching history was her passion and inculcating love for the subject was her mission. Miss Prishnikamna Rambal, head of the department, nursery and elementary department. She joined the school at a very young age and served the institution for over 35 years. Very lovable, affectionate, soft-spoken, forgiving, down-to-earth kind. He is a man of virtues, a teacher, immensely talented, a firm man. He guided students and teachers in trying times. Being a maths teacher, he was precise, practical, and accurate. His straightforward attitude is appealing, rational, just, very much down to earth. He set high standards of work and never failed to appreciate devotion and integrity in teachers and students. Mrs. Pushpa Dalha. She joined as an English teacher in the middle department and served the school for over 23 years. She had an excellent command over English language, a dedicated worker, very popular among the students, lovable, kind, considerate. Srimati Usha Khanna. The school kokila, whose melodious voice could be heard every day in the morning assembly. Very down-to-earth teacher, very popular among her students, kind-hearted, straightforward. She served for more than 27 years as a social science teacher in the Mathematics department. Srimati Srimati Usha Bhasini, our ex-vice principal, who joined as a Sanskrit teacher in the senior secondary department and served the institution for more than 33 years. Shant, Saral, Sahriday, Sukomal, Mamta सौम्य मुख पर मधुर मुस्कान का भाव हम सबको हर हाल में प्रसन्न रहने को प्रेरित करता है। श्रीमती Miss Shashi Gokul. She joined the school at a very young age in the nursery and elementary department. Very pleasing personality, affectionate. She served the school for more than 40 years. Very liberal, but a hard taskmaster. Mrs. Pushpa Dhingra. Mrs. Pushpa Dhingra, she joined the school at a very young age and served the nursery and elementary department for over 39 years. She had been our maths teacher, enthusiastic, affectionate. Mrs. Jharna Banerjee. She served the school for over 12 years as a maths teacher in the middle department. Very simple, large-hearted, considerate, an excellent teacher, and very popular among her students. Mrs. Asha Khanna. Mrs. Asha Khanna joined the school and served the school for over 23 years. Very warm personality, affectionate, enthusiastic. Mrs. Anna Guleja. We usually know her as Miss Amna Madam. She joined the school in the nursery elementary department and served the institution for more than 21 years. Highly respected, very systematic, industrious. Mrs. Praveen Dan. Served as an nursery and elementary teacher for more than 23 years. She has an excellent command over English language, very considerate. The students loved her. Mrs. Sneh Chawla. Mrs. Sneh Chawla, she joined this primary department as a social studies teacher and Hindi teacher. Very affectionate, motivating, a spiritual lady who inculcated the habit of meditation among her students. Mr. P.L. Bansal. Mr. P.M. Bansal, he joined the school in the senior secondary department as a physics teacher. Very knowledgeable, considerate, full of great ideas. Mrs. Rama Vajpayee. Mrs. Rama Vajpayee, who joined the school as a Hindi teacher in the middle department. तुम अपना स्नेह भरा कोमल हाथ मेरे कंधे पर रख देते हो और मैं समझने लगता हूँ कि दुनिया ज्वालामुखियों के दहाने पर भी इतनी ठंडी क्यों है। ममतामयी, सुकोमल, चातुर्वत्सला, प्रतिभूति। Mrs. Shashikala Bajaj. She joined the school at a very young age and served as a physical education teacher for over 39 years. Very enthusiastic, jovial, methodical, down to earth, large-hearted. Mr. B.L. Dehrani. Mr. B.L. Dehrani, the epitome of simplicity. He joined the school as a physics teacher in the secondary department and served the institution for over 25 years. A very popular teacher among the students as he was kind, considerate, and very benevolent. He is a focused man, and that is what he wished to inculcate in the students. Shrimati Kumar Bahadur, ex-head of the department, ex-head of the primary department. She served the school as a science teacher over 28 years. Very simple, very kind-hearted, very affectionate, and an excellent teacher. Mrs. Lalita Iyer. She joined the school as a history teacher and served the institution over 20 years. She made all possible efforts for making the subject interesting to students. Her acumen to remember dates and historical facts, her vast knowledge, always mesmerized us. Sri Rajan Nair. He joined the school as a lab assistant in the biology department and served the institution for over 32 years. A very simple, quiet, very down-to-earth person, always engrossed in his work. Mrs. Rajwani Sharma. As a Hindi teacher in the middle department and worked for more than 30 years in the school. Mrs. Indu Joshi. Our Hindi teacher, she joined the school in the primary department and served this institution for more than 30 years. Very interesting, warm personality, a lady of values, highly appreciated by the students. Mrs. Saxena. Mrs. Saxena, a very learned teacher. She joined the school as a Hindi teacher in the primary department, served the institution for more than 30 years, was very, very knowledgeable, and she inculcated the habit of reading among the students. Mrs. Varsha Seth. Mrs. Varsha Seth, head of secondary department. She joined the school as a geography teacher and has been serving this institution for more than 26 years. Her clarity of thought and zeal to impact knowledge always inspired us. Mrs. Kusum Lata Malhotra. Years. A very dedicated worker, stern, and a master of the subject. Mrs. Ekta Seth. She joined as a young girl in the school and has been serving the school for over 27 years. She is teaching both primary and nursery classes, very organized. A friendly person with poise and elegance, students adore her. Mrs. Aruna Naran. Our senior maths teacher who has served the institution for 29 years. She is an epitome of accuracy and hard work. Responsible, methodical. Her motherly nature makes her very popular and approachable. Mrs. Rita Sadan. Head of Primary Department. She joined the school in the Nursery and Elementary Department. Very lovable, affectionate, large-hearted, all-rounder. There is no instrument that she cannot play, musical instrument. The sports personality. She has been working in the school for over 31 years. Mrs. Santosh Sharma. She joined the school in the Nursery and Elementary Department and has been serving the institution for over 32 years. Amiable, adjusting, considerate, very methodical. Mrs. Sarojini Kumar. She joined the school as a maths teacher in the primary department. Very organized. Very popular among the students. Very caring, affectionate, full of ideas. Highly acclaimed by the students. Mrs. Sudarshana Prasad. ज्ञान रस की अथाह गंगा है आप। ज्ञान रस की अथाह गंगा है आप, नित नव ज्ञान पुंज को फैला रही। सुदर्शन कर लेते जब हम आपके अनमोल ज्ञान गंगा का प्रसाद पा जाते। She had joined the school at an early age, at a young age, and had been serving as an Hindi teacher in the senior secondary department for over 35 years. She had been a Hindi teacher. Mrs. Chandra Mittal. She joined the school as a Hindi teacher in the middle department. Mrs. Veena Malhotra, our vice principal. Our vice principal joined the institution and has been working in the senior secondary department as a biology teacher. She had been serving the institution for more than 35 years. Very systematic, efficient teacher. Apparently strict but has a tender heart, filled with understanding and love, particular about discipline and sincerity. Mrs. Kailash Sharma. She joined the school as a biology teacher in the middle department. Very kind, large-hearted, always ready to help others. She had been serving the institution for over 37 years. Mr. Dhyan Singh Tregi. Mr. Dhyan Singh Tregi, he joined the school as a lab assistant for the physics department He has been serving the institution for 36 years. Very straightforward, very considerate, very down-to-earth person. Next, Mr. Poojan Pandey. Has been working in the school office for over 25 years. Very interesting, kind-hearted. Mrs. Geeta Roy, our present principal. She's an enterprising, innovative, far-sighted lady. Her confidence and resourcefulness is appreciable, and the school finds its progressing leaps and bounds under high ages. A strict disciplinarian, students stand in awe of her. Her vibrancy and communication skills are admirable. Our ex-principal, Mr. Shashikant Nand. He joined Happy School Senior Secondary Department as an English teacher. Through his depth of knowledge, he successfully developed in his students' love for the subject. Yet he was totally involved in the all-round development of many students' personality. A person with many accomplishments in various fields. We all know him as one who is forthright, frank, yet considerate, humane, very down to earth. It was during his stint as a principal that Happy School attained new heights. It was his student-centered approach which was instrumental in the inception of Happy School Alumni Association. As a teacher, he was eager to know what his students did even after leaving the school, and hence the birth of the alumni. Shri Kishan Kumarji, the Honorary Secretary of Happy School, is good administrator, innovative, kind-hearted, yet firm. He is our motivating force. I would now request Shri Kishan Kumarji to kindly come on the stage and address the gathering.
Gathering, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Nirmal Khandelwal, Mr. Rana Singh, Mr. Mahesh Khandelwal, and the full team of our illustrious ex-students, parents, and teachers, former teachers and present teachers, former principal Mr. Bhatnagar, and present principal Mr. Geeta Arora. I have the pleasure and privilege to wish you all a very happy Golden Jubilee. This is a very auspicious occasion as we are celebrating the 50 years of our alma mater. I have the pleasure and privilege of being a founder and student of the school. I belong to the very first batch of 6 students of 1930-31 when my father, Shri Padamchandji, started implementing his vision and ideology that to grow physically, emotionally and intellectually, a child must be essentially happy. In May 1933, this senior secondary co-ed school at Daryaganj was founded for imparting education on happy education ideology, that the child must grow in happy environment and without fear of punishment. Today I feel the satisfaction and honor that our alumni members have achieved remarkable success in their careers and earned positions of high repute in their enterprises. Their initiative, enthusiasm, planning and execution is amply visible in today's functions which they have organized. Please give them a very, very good hand. It is the supreme art of a teacher to awaken joy in creating expression and knowledge. That is the definition of a teacher. One looks back with appreciation and satisfaction to the brilliant teachers, but with gratitude to those who touched our human feelings. The school activities are so much necessary, new material, but the warmth is the vital element for the growing plant and for the soul of the child. Our alumni members have shown their gratitude and respect to their gurus, Gurujans, by honoring them with mementos. They deserve a very, very good hand. Please give a very, very good applause. Thank you. In the end, I say, what do we live for? If not to make life less difficult for each other. Thank you once again, and long live alumni, and long live Happy School. Shine better and better. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for guiding us and for your best wishes. Now I would request Shri Krishna Kumarji to please do the honor of releasing the alumni souvenir. I would now invite the star of today's night, Pankaj Udas, to please join us on the dais. Now I will call upon Mr. Sunil Goyal, the Vice President of Association, to come over here and welcome Pankaj Udas.
I take this opportunity to welcome you all on behalf of the Happy School Alumni Association this evening to mark the Golden Jubilee celebrations of Happy School Daryaganj. We wish to express our sincere thanks and gratitude to Bank of Baroda, Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited, Uni Express, Tata Tea Limited, Airtel, makers of cash, Shriram Hiram Jewelers, DDDC Couriers, and other friends, well-wishers, our old teachers, and alumni members, without whose support we could not have arranged this evening. We also look forward to their continued support in the future as well. Our guest tonight cannot be introduced in a few words. He is a man who is bestowed upon by the Almighty with a rare talent. Almost everybody introduces him as a ghazal king or a rare jewel in the music industry. But I would like to introduce him with the literal translation of his name, Pankaj. Pankaj means lotus, a complete flower with seeds and fruits within. A flower always used in almost all pujas and auspicious occasions. Pankaj, the lotus, also blooms every day without fail, imparting its beauty, fragrance and grace to the onlooker. I am grateful to Pankaj and his troupe of artists for giving us this opportunity to hear him with our friends, teachers and others. I am very happy to meet Pankaj once again, a man so humble and so humane. He is full of compassion and love and brings in the heart of his audience joy and wisdom. So ladies and gentlemen, without further delay, put your hands together to welcome our guest tonight, Pankaj Bhai.
जिनको जाऊं कहाँ और बार बनाऊं किसके लिए। वो शख्स तो शहर ही छोड़ गया, मैं बाहर जाऊं किसके लिए। नए कपड़े बदल कर जाऊं कहाँ। पड़ी है घर की फिजा खाली कमरों में नासिर, इन खाली कमरों में नासिर, अब शम्मा जलाऊं किसके लिए, इन खाली कमरों में नासिर, अब शम्मा जलाऊं किसके लिए। वो शख्स तो शहर ही छोड़ गया, मैं बाहर जाऊं किसके लिए, नए कपड़े बदल कर जाऊं कहाँ, और बाल बनाऊं किसके लिए, नए कपड़े बदल कर जाऊं कहाँ, नए कपड़े बदल कर जाऊं कहाँ, नए कपड़े बदल कर जाऊं।
दोस्तों, आपके दिलों में आपने जो जगह दी इसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। और मैं यही उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आने वाले 25 सालों में जब मैं अपने 50 साल में हूँ, तब मुझे ये उम्मीद है कि आने वाले 25 सालों में इससे भी बेहतर और इससे भी बढ़िया गज़लें और गीत आपके सामने पेश कर सकूँ। एक बड़ा इसको कहेंगे खूबसूरत इत्तेफाक है कि आपके 50 साल और मेरे 25 साल, ईश्वर करे इसी तरह से ये काम आगे बढ़ता रहे। एक इसी शायर की एक और गज़ल सुनाना चाहूँगा, मेरी बहुत पसंद गज़ल है जनाब नासिर काज़मी की। गज़ल से पहले एक कथा गज़ल बनाए जनाब मुमताज़ फैज़ का।
सुना जब वो रुखसते हुआ तब याद आया, जब वो रुखसते हुआ तब याद आया, वो तेरी याद थी अब याद आया, दिल धड़कने का सबब याद आया। नज़म आप जानते हैं कि उर्दू में नज़म कविता का एक ऐसा प्रकार है जिसमें पूरी कहानी बयान होती है। इस नज़म का उन्वान है 21वीं सदी। नज़म में बयान है कि गुजरते हुए वक्त ने हमें क्या कुछ दिया और हमसे क्या कुछ दे लिया। सोलो क्लासिकल सीरीज आए हैं, क्लासिकल के सोलो कॉन्सर्ट्स करते हैं और गज़ल की संगत में उनका एक अलग ही निराला अंदाज है जिनसे हमें बहुत उम्मीदें हैं। वैसे नौजवान होनहार फनकार बांसुरी पे श्री राकेश चौरसिया, राकेश चौरसिया। हिंदुस्तान की एक और महान हस्ती जनाब सजाद हुसैन साहब, ही वाज म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर। 50 और 60 के पीरियड में उन्होंने बहुत सारी फिल्मों का संगीत निर्देशन किया और बहुत ही गुणी, बहुत ही टैलेंटेड हमारे संगीत निर्देशक थे। परंपरा को जिन्होंने जिंदा रखा है, उनके साहबजादे, उनके सुपुत्र एक ऐसे कलाकार के जिनके अपने मैंडोलिन के हिंदुस्तानी शास्त्रीय संगीत के क्लासिकल सोलो कॉन्सर्ट होते हैं। वो है मैंडोलिन पे जनाब नासिर सजाद हुसैन। नासिर सजाद जिनके पिता संगीत के विद्वान हैं, जिनकी माता श्रीमती बेहरूज चैटर्जी बहुत अच्छी गुलकार जान पैदा करते हैं, वैसे हमारे बहुत ही होनहार कलाकार कीबोर्ड पे श्री अनुपम चैटर्जी, बिग हैंड फॉर अनुपम चैटर्जी। भारत की एक और महान हस्ती वॉज अ लेजेंडरी तबला नवाज कलाकार के भतीजे, एक ऐसे कलाकार थे जिन्होंने अपने चाचा से तालीम हासिल की और भारत के माने हुए शास्त्रीय संगीत के कलाकारों के साथ जिन्होंने संगत की है, जिनके अपने भी क्लासिकल के सोलो सीरीज आए हैं और गज़ल की संगत में जिनका एक अलग ही अंदाज है, लाजवाब अंदाज है, वो हैं तबला नवाज जनाब राशिद मुस्तफ़ा तिरकवा, बिग हैंड फॉर राशिद मुस्तफ़ा तिरकवा। इस दोस्त और काबिल साउंड इंजीनियर जनाब सनी चकरा, बिग हैंड फॉर सनी चकरा। मैं और मेरे साथी कलाकार एक बार फिर से इस गोल्डन जुबली सेलिब्रेशन के मौके पे आप सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देते हैं, तरफ से तरक्की करता रहे। I would like to thank the entire staff of Silford Auditorium and last but not the least, I'd like to thank you all beautiful people. आपसे यही दरख्वास्त करेंगे कि आने वाले दिनों में आपकी प्रार्थनाओं में, आपकी प्रेयर इससे भी बेहतर करने और गीत देते रहें। इन्हीं दुआओं के साथ, इन्हीं शुभकामनाओं के साथ आपसे इजाज़त चाहेंगे। शब्बा खैर, शुभरात्रि, गुड नाइट। Thank you. Good night.
And all the staff of our school present today, and I would like to thank my alumni association for giving me support in making it a really memorable event. And most of all, I would like to thank Shri Prabindra ji for making our evening a very memorable one. Thank you all. Good night. Shubha Khair.
सगळ्या वावरत दिला गेले वाचा
Thank you.